Everybody, this is Jason Katzenbach with JohnCow.com and introducing the brand new JohnCow.com exclusive keyword tool called Keyword Corral. Now, the purpose of this tool is to make life much easier for you when doing your keyword research with the strategies that I've taught on JohnCow.com. And as you know, using the Google free keyword tools is very powerful, but it can be a little bit cumbersome when you're having to export the data into a CSV file and trying to manipulate it and trying to figure out which keywords are the best, and then you've got to take the keywords, put them in the Google search and do the all in title, and it can just be a little bit cumbersome. And our hopes is that by the Keyword Corral tool you'll be able to do this in a fraction of a time. Now, the way this works is you simply open up the software and you'll see that it has headings across the top, very similar, well actually the exact same as the headings that the keyword system in AdWords has. You then click on open source file, and by default there'll be a sample file in there that's a sample.txt. You can import either .txt files or .scv files, and to do that you would simply designate whether you want a CSV or TXT. You would then double click and it would automatically import all the data under the correct headings, as you can see here. Now, the good thing with this is now, so for example, say you wanted to sort by estimated clicks per day upper, you would simply click on that once or twice in a sorting order like that. Well, then here is a nice part, and I recommend that you be very careful with this, simply because Google will put filters in place to engage the image verifications for you if they get too many requests from your computer's IP. So just use this with caution, and I recommend you make sure that you're just being responsible. Now, you'll see here, first of all, there's a filter. What you can do here is you can actually decide, well, I want to filter out a bunch of these words. So let's say, for example, I want to make sure that there's at least 3 words in the keyword. So I'm going to click apply, and now it's only got phrases with at least 3 keywords in it. Now I want to make sure that the estimated clicks is between, say, 50 and 100. So I'm going to say estimated clicks day lower. It has to be at least 50. And the estimated clicks no more than 100. Now, I'm just doing this for example to show you how to filter. You click apply and then OK. So now what we've got is we've got 3 word phrases that are estimated between 50 and 100 clicks a day. Now, you can filter this however you want. Now what you can do is you can say, okay, I want to see this one, and holding your control key down, then you can click another one and another one. I would recommend that no more than about 10 to 20 at a time max, but you click these 3 and now you're going to click get competition. So let's click on that, and what's happening now is the software is automatically going to Google for you and finding out the all in title competition. So now you can see that these 3 words, they're pretty heavy in competition. So just to show you all the information, let's get competition for all these. Now, obviously the examples I'm showing you, these are pretty aggressive markets, but to be honest, out of this, even it gives you good information. So for example, say I wanted to write an article on johncow.com. Out of all these keywords, right away I see the one make quick money is the best. Not only does it have one of the highest amounts of traffic available, but it's also got the least amount of competition. So out of all these pretty good traffic words, now this is again Google AdWords estimates. So you can always multiply this by 2-3 times for the amount of traffic you would always get. And you'll actually see, now that I'm looking at this, you'll see an article very quickly with this keyword in it with johncow.com. So now you're looking at this and you're saying, okay, well, there's the keyword that I want to move forward with. So then what you can do now is you can save all, so it'll save all the data, or you can just save keywords and it'll save the keywords for you. So I hope you can see that this is a very, very powerful software used in conjunction with the strategies that I've taught in the John Cow ebook, and I hope you enjoy it. So register and pick up your copy now, absolutely 100% for free.